going to say from where the points are regulated and when to connect. So I am going to say about BQ section because it is easy to process and all the points are connected to regular, but you can say properly. So I am going to say about BQ. First of all, our connector, which is charger connector, is positive point, which is known as V bus, is connected directly to point 1. This, by the way, this connector is 24 connectors there. So I am going to connect by 1, which is connected directly to V bus, positive point. Second point is
center OVP.
OVP, yes, and the center part is OVP, which is purifying by V bus, then going to point 1. Second, 1 and 24, which is connected.
Yeah.
And second point is known as PS, which is connected to 10K resistor and buying through and coming to point 11. There is also a capacitor 10K and this is NTC. And third point is PG. 0.7 to 1.8 is the value, the voltage is direct current to PM. And fourth point and state SCL, state is connected to PM. And fifth point 1.8 volt SCL, SDA, INTC is connected to CPU.
And then pull-up resistors.
Pull-up resistor 2.2K and the CPU connected to this
2.2K.
2K resistor and 2.2K resistor and 2.2K resistor, which is connected 10K. And seventh line is connected to CPU and 8 is NC and 9 is, which is known as, they also connected to 10K resistor, and this one is, you don't have the 10K resistor, it is changed to fake charge. And 10 also NC and 11 is connected directly to 20 and 22 it's connected. 12 number is MTK, is network working, is if you don't understand the not working network is PK. 23 and 24 is BWAT line, which is 4.2 voltage. 15 and 16 is also connected to 19, 20 and 21 with base. Hi everyone, my name is Suhil Tanvir. I am from Bihar. Today I have learned about charging section. Today I am going to explain you the full board. BQ IC is, we have 24 pin in BQ IC. I am going to explain the point by point from where it will come. First point is coming from plus point of connector, charging connector, which is known as V bus, which is coming by through OVP, is from 5 volt. Second point is PS line, which is going to 10K resistor by 5 volt and coming to 11th line, which is known as
11th and 22.
11 and 22. In it also you have 10K resistor and 1 NTC. And third line is PG line, which is 0.7 to 1.8 resistor is coming to PM. And fourth line is state line, is coming to PM also. And fifth line, SCL line, is coming to CPU by PM, by which you have registered 2.2K pull-up resistor. And fifth line also sixth line SDA line, which is also 1.8 volt and coming from CPU, which also have pull-up resistor of 2.2K. And seventh line is INT line, which also have 1.8 volt coming from CPU, and it also have 10K resistor of pull-up resistor. And eighth line is NTC. Ninth line is, which if you don't have this 10K resistor, then it will show fake charge. And 10th line is NC. And I have said you about 11th line. And 12th line is, if you basically don't have this all every phone. If you don't have this, then it will take not working of charging issues. And 13, 14 we have bit out, which have 4.2 voltage. 16 and 15 are connected to this 20 and 29. And 17 and 18 are ground. 19th line is DCO line, which you can measure by DSO, which have also 1 ohm of buck coil, which is known as BPH. And 20 line is SW and 21 is base. And 22.
So 15 and 16 pin also your VPH pin.
VPH, yes. 15 and 16 is connected to VPH pin, and 22 is the region line, and 23.
21 pin is, which is 21 pin
is connected to 20 by a capacitor. and 22
coming from voltage 4 volt and
is going from 4 to 8 volt.
4 to 8
from
volt.
4 and
one side
4
4 volt
and one side 8 volt.
8 volt. Okay, good.
And 23 is we have this mid line MID.
MID.
It's connected to ground by capacitor, and I've said about 24 and 1
So how much you feel?
is very good, and we have learned about Dev sir very much.
Okay, क्या बोलेंगे देव सर के लिए आप?
Thanks to you sir for so much of knowledge.
एक बार क्लैपिंग कर दो भाई इसके लिए. चलो बैठ जाओ. हेलो सुनो मास्टर जी माइक कर दो. क्या करने जा रहे हैं?
It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too?
26 तारीख को जब आए थे तो ना तो इनको रिवॉल्विंग आता था, ना सीपीयू निकालते लगाते फिक्स करते आता था। इस लेवल का नॉलेज दिया है, इतनी बार सीपीयू लगवाया है कि अब इनका कहना है कि सर हम 10 मिनट में सीपीयू लगाएंगे। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। है कि नहीं है? किस किसने लगाया? किस किसने डन करा? डन किया? किसने डन किया? किस किसने सीपीयू लगाया? डिस्प्ले किस किसने ऑन करा? किस किसके डन हुए? सबके डन हुए? एक बार, 2 बार, 3 बार या 4 बार?
मैं देवेंद्र गोवाल, आज हमने दिया है बहुत बड़ा अपडेट।
अब कहानी बदलेगी। एशिया टेलीकॉम में शुरू हो चुका है एक नया चैप्टर। ये ट्रेनिंग नहीं, ये है क्रांति।
हर एक बच्चे के बाद में एक 2 SMD होनी चाहिए, हर बच्चे के बाद में एक पावर सप्लाई होनी चाहिए, हर बच्चे के बाद में एक प्रीमियम आयरन होना चाहिए।
देश का एकमात्र इंस्टीट्यूट एशिया टेलीकॉम, जिसे डायरेक्ट चाइना की कंपनी ने कोलैब किया है।
कराते हैं एंड्रॉइड पे केबल काम, यह आईफोन के लिए नहीं है, तो आप आईफोन के लिए बिल्कुल भी आप ये वीडियो को स्किप कर सकते हैं। एंड्रॉइड दोस्तों, सबसे पहले तो हमारा काम है, हम इस कोर्स को बोलते हैं सीपीयू मास्टर। ये ऑल इन वन कोर्स है। ये कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने सॉफ्टवेयर पढ़ना है तो सॉफ्टवेयर पढ़ा देंगे, एमएमसी पढ़ना है तो एमएमसी पढ़ा देंगे। ये ऑल इन वन कोर्स है। अगर आपको ऑल इन वन पढ़ना है, एक फीस में सब कुछ, जिसमें आपको रहना, खाना, वोट सब कुछ हो, और आपके साथ जाकर 11 महीने का अपडेट भी, जिसका हम एक थोड़ा सा नॉमिनल चार्ज लेते हैं, और वो भी क्यों, वो हम इसको आपको बताएंगे वीडियो के एंड में, आप देखिएगा जरूर। दोस्तों, इस कोर्स को हम कहते हैं सीपीयू मास्टर कोर्स, क्योंकि हमें सीपीयू मास्टर, आप देखेंगे ये एशिया टेलीकॉम का है कंप्लीट एंड्रॉइड कोर्स और मास्टर एंड्रॉइड कोर्स। ये हमारे ऑनलाइन कोर्सेस है, आप इनको भी ले सकते हैं, मैं इनकी डिटेलिंग भी करूंगा। सीपीयू मास्टर कोर्स होता है, हमें बच्चों को सीपीयू का मास्टर बनाना है एंड स्किल। तो हम हमेशा सबसे पहले हमारी काउंसलिंग करते हैं कि बच्चा बैठने लायक है कि नहीं। हम हर एक को एडमिशन नहीं देते हैं। अगर कोई गलती से एडमिशन लेके आ भी जाता है तो हम काउंसलिंग क्लास में उसको अलग कर देते हैं, हम उनसे फीस नहीं लेते हैं। मतलब अगर आप 10 घंटे बैठने के सक्षम हो, अगर आप इतनी मेहनत करने के लायक हो, प्रैक्टिकल लैब है, यहाँ इतने सारे जो टूल्स हैं, ये सब आप यूज भी करते हो कि खाली ऐसे देखने के? ये एक पहला इंस्टीट्यूट है जहाँ टूल यूज होते हैं। हेलो।